good morning. How are you, my students? Today we will take a revision for lessons 10.1, 10.2, and 10.4. First, I will please write each fraction as a multiply of a unit fraction. What's meaning a unit fraction? Unit fraction is a fraction with a numerator 1. How I will write these fractions like a multiply of a unit fraction? This I would write it like a whole multiply fraction with numerator 1. Now we have 6 over 11. This will be 6 multiply, I will write the number on the numerator like a whole. This will be 6 multiply and write fraction with numerator 1. Okay, this will be 6 multiply 1 over 11. Now 3 over 8. Again, I will take the numerator and write this numerator like a whole. This will be 3 multiply a fraction with numerator 1. This will be 1 over 8, the same denominator. Now 5 over 7. Now I will take 5. This will be 5 multiply 1 over 7. Now 9 over 12. This will be 9 multiply 1 over 12. Again, I will take the numerator and write the numerator like a whole, and then write a fraction with numerator 1 and the same denominator. 6 over 11. It will be 6 multiply 1 over 11. 7 over 8. It will be 7 multiply 1 over 8. Now solve a multiplication equation, then write the product as a mixed number. Now we have whole multiply a fraction. How I multiply a whole by a fraction? I will multiply the whole by a numerator to be 5 multiply 6 over 9 will be 5 multiply 6 over 9. This will be equal. Now 5 by 6 equal 30 over 9. This is the answer. Then write the product as a mixed number. How I write this as a mixed number? I will divide 30 divide 9 is equal. Which number I multiply by 9? The answer will be 30 or less than 30. It will be 3. 3 by 9 equal 27, and we have remainder 3. How I will write the answer now? 30 over 9, it will be, I will write the answer 3 like a whole, and the remainder as a fraction with the same denominator. 9 over 3 over 3, the answer will be 3, and 3 over 9. Now 3 multiply 11 over 6. 3 by 11, 3 by 11 over 6. 3 by 11 will be 30. 3 over 6. Now, which number I will divide 33 by 6. Which number I multiply by 6, the answer will be 33 or less than 33. It will be 5. 5 multiply 6 equal 30. And then we have remainder 3. Now, the answer will be 5. I will write the answer like a whole. It will be 5. And the remainder 3, it will be 3 over 6. Now, 8 multiply 6 over 7 will be 8 multiply 6 equal 40. 8 multiply 6 equal 48 over 7. Now, which number I multiply by 7, the answer will be 48 or less from 48. It will be 6. 6 by 7 is equal 42. 6 multiply 7 is equal 42. And the remainder will be 6. The remainder will be 6 also. I will write remainder as a fraction, 6 over 7. If you choose 7, no, 7 will be 7 multiply 7 is equal 49, and 49 more than 48, because I will choose 6. 6 multiply 7 is equal 42, and plus 6 will be 48. Now, 4 multiply 8, 4 multiply 8 is equal 24. Now, 4 multiply 8 over 6. 4 multiply 8 is equal 32 over 6. 4 multiply 8 is equal 32 over 6. Now, I will divide 32 by 6. 32 divide 6. If we divide 32, this is 32 divide 6. Which number I multiply by 6? The answer will be 32 or less. The answer will be 5. 5 by 6 equal 30, and remainder 2. Now I will write the answer like a whole, and the remainder like a fraction with the same denominator. Now 8 multiply 5. 8 multiply 5 is equal 40. Then 8 multiply 5 over 10 is equal 40 over 10. Now we will divide 40 by 10. Which number I multiply by 10? The answer will be 40. Yes, 4. 4 by 10 is equal 40, and there is no remainder, then I have just a whole 4. The answer is equal 4. Now 12 multiply 3. 12 multiply 3 is equal 36 over 2. Now we have 36 divide by 2. I will use the long division. 3 divide 2. How many? Which number I multiply by 2? The answer will be 3 or less. Just 1. 1 multiply 2. The answer will be 2. Now 3 minus 2 is equal 1. I will take the 6 down. Now, which number I multiply by 1? The answer, which number I multiply by 2? The answer will be 16. Yes, 8. 8 multiply 2 equals 16. Now 16 minus 16 is equal 0. Then we have the answer is equal 18 and remainder 0. Then 36 over 2 is equal 18. Calculate the distance Ahmad rides his bike if he rode 3 over 5 miles each day for 7 days. I will find the answer. I will multiply 7 days by 3 over 5 miles. Now 7 multiply 3 equal 21 over 5. Now which number I multiply by 5? The answer will be 21 or less. Yes, 4 multiply 5 is equal 20. Then we have remainder 1. I will write the remainder as a fraction with the same denominator. The answer will be 4 and 1 over 5. Now calculate the distance Rahaf rides her bike if she rides 7 over 9 miles each day for 8 days. I will multiply 8 by 7 over 9. Now 8 multiply 7 is equal 56 over 9. Now which number I multiply by 9? The answer will be 56 or less. 56 or less. Yes, 6. 6 multiply 9, the answer will be 54. Then we have remainder 2. I will write the remainder as a fraction. Now 56 over 9 is equal 6 and 2 over 9.